would you say, as you think about your other investors, how would you differentiate us?
When the chips are down, you figure out really who's there for you. And you've been there for us like 5 times now. So that's helpful. The other part is as you said, like you do genuinely care about me and my family, which is refreshing. Not all investors take that approach, and I understand why. Your strategy is to get to know the founder on a personal level, and I appreciate that. Like, we've talked about kids, we've talked about being married, we've talked about, trying to have a family and it not always being successful. Like, having conversations that at times are difficult, and I appreciate that. Like, there's a relationship there beyond just like the here's gross profit this month.
I mean, it's human nature for Jim and I to be that way anyway. But also, it is selfish from the perspective of I am interested and concerned that in some ways you're happy as a person, because that makes you more of, you have a better chance of being a happy CEO.
Right.
And I always say, I know it's silly, but I always say I love my founders to not have kids when we first invest, and then to have kids because it crystallizes everything else you're doing. It allows you to focus in a different way than you were focusing before when it was all you, right? So we appreciate that. That's why we actually take interest and try to get to know each other as humans as opposed to just investor to company.